Honorable our school director, respected headmaster, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. Today I am in front of you all to present an important speech about gender equality. Nowadays, in our society, gender equality is an important Nowadays, in our society, gender equality is too important in our daily life. First of all, I would like to say that gender equality means that the rights, opportunities, and responsibilities of individuals will not depend on whether they are male or female, handicapped or able-bodied, white or black, young or elderly, or they are from rural or urban setting. It is a fundamental human right, and that right is being violated by the gender-based discrimination. It is essential not only for the well-being of individuals, but also for the health and prosperity of the society. It is essential to achieve peace in society with full of human potential and sustainable development. The overall objective of the gender equality is a society in which women and men can enjoy the same opportunities, rights, and obligations in all the spheres of life. One of the examples of gender equality is suppose a country enacts a gender quota law requiring that at least 50% of political candidates and elected members should be women. This policy has to ensure that women have equal representation in legislative bodies, leading to a more inconclusive and equitable policy making. Countries like Rwanda have such a successful implemental such course, resulting in a significant increase in women representation in the government. But in many parts of the world, women and other marginalized gender are still facing different kinds of difficulties in their life to achieve gender equality. Gender inequality is caused due to unequal access to education, lack of employment, lack of body autonomy, lack of political representation, and social mindsets, etc. To address with these challenges, multifaceted approach is necessary. Gender equality is not only a matter of justice and human rights, but it is also a catalyst for societal and economic progress. It makes sure that all the people get respect as they deserve and their differences are celebrated. I think that all of you know the Jomo Kumari Gimire. She is one of the handicapped girl. She was discriminated by her parents, but her sister helps her by bringing books and teaching her after the school. At the beginning, she tried to write the letter on mud with her legs, and after that, she tried, and nowadays she can be known as a famous writer in the world. From this incident, we can know that inner talent is the most important than the outer looks. Achieving gender equality is not just a human issue, it is a societal one. It refers to active participation of all the community members, including men, women, and non-binary individuals. By addressing these gender disparities in the workplace, education, politics, and health, we can create a more inclusive communities, strong economy, and healthier society. As we move forward, it is essential to continue advocating for policies and practices that promote equality and challenge the status. Only then we can achieve the world where everyone, regardless of gender, and have the opportunity to reach with full of their potential. In ancient times, there is the discrimination between the black and white people. In that time, black people were treated just like animals by the white peoples. Black people were sell and buy by the white people. For that, Nelson Mandela has speak against the discrimination. Due to that reason, he was kept at a prison for about 12 years. After 12 years, also Nelson Mandela did not give up himself and he tried to fight against the discrimination. Nowadays we can see the gender equality between the black and the white people. We can build a future where gender equality is not just an ideal but it is a real one. Gender equality is important, very important for us. It also helps to strengthen the bond between our relatives, parents, and friends. Education is the key, so teacher must teach the students about gender equality from the early age.